In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posters using Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your prompt, pick the right settings, and generate polished poster concepts you can refine or print. First, open your browser and head to Higgsfield AI. Give the page a moment to load so the tools initialize properly. You'll see options for different types of AI creation. We're focusing on images, so next, click on Image at the top. This takes you straight into the image generation workspace where all the poster controls live. Now, type your prompt. Think of this like your creative brief. Be specific about the subject, style, and mood you want. For a poster, it helps to include the core theme, the setting or background, and the overall vibe. Modern minimalist, bold graphic, vintage, cinematic, or abstract. Mention any dominant colors you want to see, like a black and gold palette or bright neon accents. If you plan to add text later in a design app, consider directing the model to leave open space by saying something like clean negative space at the top or central subject with clear margins. If you want the AI to try rendering text directly, keep it short, like a single word or a very brief phrase, since long copy can be tricky for any image model. Next, choose the model. Different models have different strengths. Some lean photorealistic, others favor stylized graphics or illustration. If you're unsure, start with the default and switch only if you're not getting the look you want. A quick model change can dramatically shift the aesthetic. Then choose quality and aspect ratio. Higher quality tends to give you crisper details and cleaner edges, which is valuable for posters that may be printed larger. For aspect ratio, match your intended print or display. Common poster proportions include 2.3 for many standard poster sizes or a tall vertical option if you're designing for events and storefronts. Picking the right ratio now avoids awkward cropping later. After that, choose batch size. A larger batch gives you more variations in one go, which is great for exploring different compositions or color treatments. If you're experimenting, a medium batch strikes a good balance between variety and speed. Finally, click Generate. Let the system render, then review your results carefully. Note what's working: composition, color, style, and what you tweak in your prompt or settings. Iterate as needed until you land on a poster concept that aligns with your vision. That's it. Simple, structured, and ready for your creative touch.